If you're using AI to pump out more videos so you can earn more AdSense, you're just getting to broke faster. AdSense pays you $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. Even if AI helps you upload 3 times as often, you're still earning pennies unless your videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views every single month. Here are 5 ways to use AI that actually make money on a faceless channel, and none of them depend on AdSense. You can start all 5 of these with 0 subscribers, 0 filming equipment, and 0 experience. And they work whether you're based in the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, or anywhere else with a laptop and an internet connection. Method 5, AI-powered faceless affiliate videos. If you've been watching my videos, you already know why affiliate marketing is the move. But what's changed in 2026 is how fast AI lets you produce these videos. You pick a niche where people are actively searching for products to buy. It could be budgeting apps, VPNs, project management tools, anything where there's an affiliate program behind it. You use ChatGPT or Claude to write the script. You use a tool like Pictory or InVideo to turn that script into a video with stock footage and visuals. You use 11 Labs to generate a professional voiceover, and you upload with your affiliate link in the description. The whole process takes about 90 minutes once you've got your workflow dialed in. And because you're targeting buyer intent keywords, the people who find your video through search are already looking to spend money. A video titled Best VPN for Streaming in 2026 doesn't need 1 million views to make money. It just needs the right 500 viewers who are ready to sign up. And at $40 to $100 per VPN referral, even a small video can generate meaningful income. The affiliate link sits in that description, working for you 24 hours a day, whether you uploaded the video last week or last year. Method 4. AI digital products. You can use AI to build a digital product that solves a specific problem for people in your niche. If your channel is about faceless YouTube, that might be a script template pack, a niche research guide, or a content calendar that maps out 30 days of video ideas. If your channel is about personal finance, it could be a budget spreadsheet, a debt payoff tracker, or an investment checklist for beginners. You build it using ChatGPT for the content and Canva for the design. You list it on Gumroad or StanStore, and you drop the link in every video description. The key to making this work is targeting buyer intent keywords with your videos. If someone searches faceless YouTube checklist or budget template for beginners, and your video shows up, that person is already looking for exactly what you're selling. They found you through search, not through your subscriber count, which means you can sell digital products from day one without any audience at all. A $27 product selling 5 times a day is $135 a day, which comes out to just over $4,000 a month from something you created once in an afternoon with AI. Method 3, AI Shorts Repurposing Agency. This one is different from the first 2 because you're not making money from your own channel. You're making money from other people's channels. Here's the situation. Every YouTuber knows they should be posting shorts. YouTube has been pushing short-form content harder than ever, and creators who post shorts consistently see their long-form videos get more reach too. But most creators aren't posting shorts, even though they know they should, because they don't have time to chop up their long-form videos, add captions, format everything for vertical, and upload across platforms every week. You could step in here and make money from this. You can use a tool like Opus Clip to take a creator's 1-hour video and turn it into 10 to 20 short clips in about 15 minutes. You clean them up, add captions, format them, and send them back ready to post. You can charge $500 to $1,500 a month per client depending on volume. 5 clients at $1,000 each is $5,000 a month, and the actual work takes maybe 10 hours a week because the AI tool does most of the work. To land your first client, go to YouTube right now and search for creators in any niche who post long-form content but have no shorts on their channel. Send them a message saying you notice they're not repurposing their content and offer to do the first week free. Let the results do the talking. When they see their engagement go up, you can easily land a monthly retainer. Method 2, AI niche research as a service. The hardest part of starting a faceless channel isn't making the videos. It's figuring out which niche to go into, which keywords to target, and which affiliate products to promote. Most people spend weeks or even months stuck in this phase, going back and forth between ideas and never actually starting. AI tools have made this research way faster. If you connect Claude to vidIQ like I showed in one of my last videos, you can validate a niche in a single chat. You can find outlier videos, check keyword competition, identify gaps that nobody else is filling, and build a full content plan in under an hour. And here's what most people don't realize. That research itself is valuable. Once you've validated a niche and mapped out the keywords, video ideas, and affiliate programs, you can package that entire research report as a digital product and sell it. A niche validation pack with the keywords, the affiliate links, and 30 video ideas is something that people will gladly pay $37 to $67 for because it saves them weeks of work. So now method 4 is feeding into method 2. You do the research for your own channel, and then you sell that same research to other people who want to start in the same niche. 1 hour of work gives you both a content strategy and a product to sell. Method 1, the email funnel. This is the method that makes your income truly independent from YouTube. Every other method on this list still relies on YouTube to some degree. Your videos need to stay up. Your links need to stay in the description, and you need people to keep finding your content through search. With an email funnel, you create a free lead magnet using AI. This could be a simplified version of your digital product from method 2. A free checklist, a free template, a free mini guide, anything that your audience would find valuable enough to give you their email address for. You put a link to this lead magnet in every video description. Viewers click, land on a simple page you can build with something like Systemi or Kit's free plan, and they give you their email in exchange for the free download. Now you own that relationship. YouTube can't take it away. If your channel gets demonetized tomorrow, if the algorithm changes, if your videos stop getting recommended, you still have a list of people who raised their hand and said, "I'm interested in what you're talking about." And you can email that list whenever you have a new affiliate product to recommend, a new digital product to sell, or a new video to promote. Over time, that email list becomes your most valuable asset because it's the one thing in your entire business that doesn't depend on any platform. You control it completely. Now, the reason I laid these out in this order is because they work as a system, not as 5 separate things. Method 5 gets affiliate revenue flowing from your videos. Method 4 creates a product you can sell to the same audience. Method 3 generates income from other people's content while you build your own. Method 2 gives you the research to make smart decisions about which niches to enter, and that research becomes another product to sell. Method 1 captures your audience, so you're not starting from zero every time YouTube changes something. Each method makes the others stronger, and you can start with whichever one fits your situation right now. If you've got nothing but a laptop, start with Method 5. If you already have a channel, start with Method 1 and capture the audience you're already getting. Drop a comment and tell me which method you're starting with. While you're there, hit like, subscribe, and check out the description for my top tool recommendations for each of these methods.